Ye mustn't be too hasty demanding executive clemency for someone when there's a lot of more people deserving of the sympathy. Sure, she's a victim of her circumstance and the oppressive system, but that doesn't mean she shall be exempt from the law. And sure, it is in the law for the president, to give unconditional clemency, unconditional pardon. Pero ang nakikita natin doon, marami tayong convict, mga international, mga foreign convicts too. So, what does that set us? What does that say about us? 'Di ba? Again, you can ponder on and on about this. Hindi ko sinasabing tama yung opinion ko, but this is my opinion. And as far as I'm concerned, bakit natin bibigyan ng ganitong malubha at napakabilis na pagdemanda ng pagpardon kay Mary Jane Veloso if kakabigay lang sa atin? You can give Mary Jane Veloso like a few years at the very least bago mo siya i-pardon. Maybe after or maybe before you go out, you can pardon her. Pero sobrang bilis naman na hindi pa nga dumadating si Mary Jane Veloso sa bansa. Gusto niyo na agad na ipapardon siya. What does that say about the Philippine government? What does that say about the Filipino people? Masyado tayong pinapangunahan ng emosyon natin.